What's good with y'all boys, man? We are back with another trade recap, trade breakdown, whatever you want to call it, as of February 3rd, 2025. Let's get right into it. All right, so on our 15 second, we're just going to use our 15 second. All right, so we have a SMT range right above buy side liquidity, or yeah, right at buy side liquidity. And I was looking long initially, like I was waiting for this no week opening gap to get touched. I wasn't taking no trade. I wasn't taking none of this, taking none of that. I was being patient within the market and taking whatever my analysis showed up. I wasn't switching no analysis, switching no bias. But we have an SMT form, buy side liquidity sweep. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, A plus setup, time to enter the trade. And that's exactly what happened and what took place. So with that being said, we took a inversion fair value gap trade. We waited for price to break this yellow box, which is our inversion fair value gap, which is here. And actually tested it here, here, and in this range here. So we entered and we had our stop loss right at the swings, targeting a 1 to 2, TP being right down here around this range here. Then for our second trade that we took, I want to see either an SMT form or a break a structure for a value gap, which is my other model. And with that being said, we had a breaker block here. So, or sorry, a BPR, not breaker block. I apologize for that. So we enter off of a quote unquote BPR and fair value gap. I entered off the fair value gap rather than the BPR. And I had my stop loss right at these swing highs, or not these swing highs, but these relatively recent swings. And I almost got stopped out. I was literally a little bit off. I was what almost 2 points away from being stopped out. I didn't really care to get stopped out or care to hit a take profit because when I enter the market, I look to lose. I don't have a winning mindset like I have to win. No, I don't like to trade like that. And if you have that mindset within trading, you might as well go to the casino and do your due diligence, like of wanting to win. So yeah. With that being said, I entered this trade with an extra confluence of a break of structure, which was this run here back into a fair value gap. Target these lows for a 1 to 2. I wanted to see price sweep these lows also and then run all the way down to either this, or maybe even recent lows that the London session formed. And that's literally what it does prior. So, like, right now, I'm in the middle of like, okay, I'm scalping, but I do want to hold these trades longer because they always play out in favor. Not always, but like, I'd have to do a little bit of more back testing. This is a nice one, this six. But yeah, that was our trade review, trade breakdown as of today's trade. Catch y'all boys on the next one.